Top 5 Best Long-Range Electric Scooter. Number 5. Razor E200 Electric Scooter. The Razor E200 is a great electric scooter for young adults as it offers a safe max speed of 12 miles per hour and keeps going for up to 8 miles on a single charge. The scooter is powered by a 24-volt lead-acid battery and has a runtime of approximately 40 minutes under ideal conditions. Its 200-watt motor generates enough torque to carry riders that weigh not more than 154 pounds, and its 8-inch pneumatic tires are designed to absorb enough shock to make riding over bumps and cracks as smooth as can be. However, its 12-hour charging time might not impress some users. The electric scooter stands up quite well to wear and tear and will stay in good condition for an extended period of use. It has an efficient rear braking system and is very easy to assemble. It is relatively quiet when on the road and comes with a twist grip throttle that shouldn't offer any challenges. It also has a very wide deck for sufficient foot space and does not need a kickstart to get going. Pros: very easy to assemble. Good ride quality courtesy of pneumatic tires. Can handle different terrain. Cons: long 12-hour charging time. Coming in number 4. Segway Ninebot ES4. The Segway Ninebot ES4 is a well-designed electric scooter that packs up to 800 watts of power and can travel up to 28 miles on a single charge. The scooter has a safe, top speed of about 19 miles per hour, and since it also comes with both front and rear suspension, buyers should expect some pretty good ride quality. The scooter combines a mechanical and electrical braking system to offer good braking power even when riding at high speeds. Still, its solid tires will not provide a very comfortable experience when riding on rough or bumpy terrain. This electric scooter also comes with an LED display to monitor all the essential riding information, and since it only weighs 30 pounds, it shouldn't be challenging to carry. The scooter also allows for mobile app connectivity, and this provides security options to prevent theft as well as riding information and the ability to activate cruise control. Users will enjoy the added visibility provided by its customizable LED lights when riding at night and great balance courtesy of its slip-resistant baseboard. Pros: great shock absorption mechanism. Comes with customizable LED lights. Lightweight for good portability. Cons: solid tires aren't ideal for bumpy terrain. Coming in number 3. Evercross Folding Electric Scooter. The Evercross electric scooter is a very comfortable electric vehicle to ride since it comes with a detachable seat. It is also pretty powerful thanks to an 800-watt motor, which can push it to a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour. The scooter comes with a cruise control feature for users who would enjoy riding at a constant speed and also has a high-capacity 48-volt battery that'll keep it going for up to 25 miles on a single charge. Its biggest drawback is its poor portability since it weighs a solid 44 pounds. That notwithstanding, the electric scooter is sturdy enough to accommodate a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds, and with a reliable dual braking system, it doesn't take much effort to come to a complete halt. The electric scooter has a 4 to 7 hour charging time, and with both head and tail lights, users will be able to maintain excellent visibility when riding at night. The scooter is also great for hill climbing, as it can tackle hills that are up to 45 degrees steep. Pros: excellent range. Includes a detachable seat for added comfort. Great for hill climbing. Cons: poor portability. Coming in number 2. Yadea KS5 Electric Scooter. The Yadea electric scooter is an excellent scooter for anyone who wants to tackle off-road terrain. This is because it comes with both front and rear suspension for good ride quality and 10-inch pneumatic tires for enhanced comfort on bumpy terrain. The scooter also has a pretty good hill climbing ability, as users will easily be able to climb hills that have a 16% grade. The scooter also comes equipped with a front drum brake, rear disc brake, and an electric braking system, but unfortunately, it does not remember settings when turned off and back on again. The electric scooter has an excellent 25-mile range, though the manufacturer emphasizes that this is only achievable when riding under optimum conditions. It also offers a cruise control setting for a more comfortable riding experience and has both a LED headlight and a tail light for safe night riding. The scooter is also very easy to fold and has a weight capacity of 242 pounds. Pros: exceptional riding distance on one charge. Great shock absorption system. Elaborate braking system. Cons. Does not store settings when turned off. Coming in number 1. Gotrax G Max Ultra. The Gotrax G Max Ultra is an adult electric scooter with enough juice to hit a top speed of 20 mph courtesy of its 350-watt motor. The electric scooter is great for long-distance travel as it can keep going for up to 45 miles on a single charge. It is powered by a 36-volt LG battery that'll only take 4 hours to get charged to full capacity. Users will also appreciate the reliability of its dual braking system and the LED rear braking light for good visibility when night riding. However, its 46.3 pound weight might be difficult for some to carry around. The scooter is relatively easy to fold, and on its dashboard, it features an LED display that shows speed, battery life, mileage, and speed mode all at a glance. Its 10-inch pneumatic tires are great for absorbing shock and keeping the ride smooth over bumpy terrain, and its build quality is sturdy enough to support a weight of up to 220 pounds. Pros: outstanding distance per charge. Large capacity battery. Large tires that offer smooth ride quality. Cons: 46.3 pound weight is not very portable.